The extraordinary features of the atom. The atom consists of a nucleus containing neutrons and protons and electrons revolving around it. The smallest components of the atom are two types of quarks and the electrons. All the matter in the universe, all odors, all tastes, all colors, hardness, softness, and everything else is created out of these three tiny components. Electrons are extraordinarily minute compared to the nucleus. An electron is just 1/2000th of the protons that make up the nucleus. If we put a dot on a piece of paper and take this as the nucleus of the atom, the electron revolving around it would be 50 meters away. If we think of the nucleus as an apple, the electron orbiting it would be 50 kilometers away. It would be impossible for a human being standing there to see the electron. No blow, impact, or explosion that could take place in this world can displace either the atom, the nucleus, or the electrons. Even when a living thing made up of atoms die, the atoms that constitute it will keep on turning. The atoms that constitute a burning tree do not burn up and cease to exist with it. They continue revolving in the air and combine with different atoms to produce new substances. The nucleus inside the atom is constantly revolving. Electrons revolve both around the nucleus and around their own axis. The quarks inside the nucleus also revolve endlessly in the same way. Each one revolves at a specific speed. They never make a mistake and never impair the order set out for them. The electron revolves both around its own axes and around the nucleus at an extraordinary speed ranging from 2,000 to 100,000 kilometers per second. Not a single electron has ever collided with another electron throughout the 15 billion years since they were first created. No such collision could ever happen. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in 7 different orbits, and the number of electrons circling the nucleus may sometimes exceed 100. Electrons jump into one another's orbits and change places at a very high rate of speed, but despite their stupendous speeds and movements, they still never collide with one another. Electron exchanges between two atoms take place with a very low energy. This is a great blessing to us in terms of the continuation of life, as this is one of the reasons behind the existence of everything, from the cells in our bodies to the objects we use, from the stars in the skies to the earth itself. In a single moment, there is as much electrical transmission in our brains as the number of stars in an average-sized galaxy. This electrical transmission is made possible by electrons. Electrons also revolve around their own axes. This is known as spin. Were it not for that, all electrons would combine in a single orbit. No electron exchange would ever take place, and matter could never form. While we think we are sitting quietly at home, the Earth is revolving around its own axis at 500 meters per second, and we are revolving with it. The Earth revolves around the Sun at 30 kilometers per second, and we again revolve with it. The solar system revolves within the Milky Way at a speed of 250 kilometers per second, and we revolve with it. And every one of the atoms in our bodies, all around us, and where we live also constantly revolve. Everything, from giant galaxies down to the tiniest quark, is under the knowledge and control of Almighty Allah, Creator and Lord of all the worlds. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. Everything in the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah. He knows what you are engaged upon. On the day when they are returned to Him, He will inform them of what they did. Allah has knowledge of all things.